What's up, brother? I'm just sitting here working, and I wanted to do a quick video about something that in our society we tend to look down upon, and that's wanting more. What the hell is wrong with wanting more? If you're a Christian, I'm a Christian, and for a lot of my life I've been told that more is greed. The meek will inherit the earth. Wanting more will leave you empty. More of what you think you want isn't actually what you want, and a lot of that stuff is true, but you're not an idiot. You know that stuff. You know that you can't just chase the dollar bill, and when you get more dollar bills, it's not going to give you the peace and power that you think you want. But that doesn't mean you don't chase them. So we're put here on this earth, and we are so bloody lucky to have been born. I think it was 300,000 something kids are aborted last year. I saw a quote by Steve Jobs. He was born to a single mom. He just wanted to see his birth mom and thank her for that he wasn't an abortion. There's kids that die within the first year of life. There's kids that die within the first 5 years of life. We are incredibly lucky to reach our 20s and 30s, or to be born at all. And to take this gift and waste it by not pursuing every ounce of your potential, it's a slap in the face of whatever you believe. Your maker, your parents, those who came before you, those great men who fought for your freedom. It's a waste of everything by not wanting more. So more isn't a bad thing. I want more. I'm always gonna want more. I was talking with my lady the other day, and I said, we were talking about goals and stuff. I'm like, my goals now are not gonna be my goals in 5 years, not gonna be my goals in 10 years. I'm always gonna want more. It's just who I am and a part of why I think I'm here. So this is kind of a permission thing. Don't diminish what you want because you think it's greedy. Want more, because you understand that this pursuit you're on, this chase you're on, you're just trying to maximize every ounce of time you have while you're here. And what you do with that money you make, what you do with that yacht you buy, what you do with that jet or whatever, what you do with that stuff, you earned it. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. You can give it away, give it to charity, you can enjoy it. You can have security for your family, for your wife's family. You're a man. It's on you to get more. You're the breadwinner. You're the guy who's going to take care of not only your parents, but your wife's parents. There's a lot of pressure on you, and pressure either busts pipes or makes diamonds. And I think that guys that brush this quest for more off, they're the bust pipes kind. They don't want to enter the game of accomplishment and achievement. Money isn't everything. There's more to life, but you're not an idiot. You're not going to get caught up in this stuff. You understand that money is merely a measuring stick for how good you are at what you do. It's merely something that gives you power to do more of whoever you are. If you're a dick, you're going to be more of a dick. If you're a good guy, you're going to be more of a good guy. You're going to have more power to do more good. Want more. That's it. Want more. Continue to want more. Set higher goals. Break the mold and get after it. Now, accomplishment is a large part of why we're here and who we are as men. We need to accomplish. So I created the Man Diet to help guys increase testosterone levels, and I'm giving a copy away for free. I've got 300 copies left, so click the link down below, themandietbook.com. Pick up your free copy of the Man Diet, learn how to naturally increase your testosterone levels, and gain that power that comes with extra testosterone. Alright man, get after it, and set higher goals. Don't be dissuaded by the people around you in your life that tell you that wanting more is sinful or greedy. Man, that's why you're here. You're here to maximize your potential and use every waking hour of every waking day to become better. Alright man, get after it.